In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm on the left over here. Now you need to use this plus at the bottom to set up an hour. When you're ready to create new alarm, just hit OK. Now you can adjust it however you want to. At the top, name it and hit OK to save its name. Then pick days of the week you wish to set up, and to exclude some specific dates, use this plus next to pause alarm and pick them. Then choose OK. To remove your date, click on this remove button right next to it. Then you can click on this bell, choose one of those sound platforms or hit dismiss, and to use one of them, click on the chosen one at the top and log in to use music from it. If you don't want to do that, you can click on record new to record any sound you want as your new alarm. Then hit save and click on it here. If you want to use any song from your smartphone, click on add new, pick a song and go back as well. And if you want to use one of those, just tap on the chosen one and go back. Now click on this icon next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback, and this one next to weather forecast to switch it on or off. You can also tap on this plus next to Google Assistant routine to add or remove your alarm from it. To hide all of those options, click at the top right corner. To turn off or on your alarm, click on this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click at the top right corner again and change whatever you want to. To get rid of your alarm, hit delete at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!